So this is the state of the chassis at the moment. I've cleaned it up a fair amount. I've also stripped the paint off of one of the floor pans. I need to strip the paint off the other floor pan. I also need to weld these in. Okay, so now I've punched holes all the way along using this tool, which is my $30 Jodler or edge setter. So one side punches holes and the other side sets edges. In this case I'm just using the hole punch side. So this is now ready to be welded into position because it has all of the holes that it needs. Never done this before. This is going to be very interesting. Scary. How hard can it be? Right? She's on, but I would say it's good and tight here, but it becomes less tight as we go along. Except when we get up here, this is all pretty tight again. I'm just wondering what to do about this. I think probably nothing, because I don't think there's anything I can do about this. I think even taking a little sliver out here is going to more or less do nothing. I think it's just how it is. So the good thing is the holes will line up with the metal underneath, so it's not like I'm welding to nothing. So I think we're just going to have to go with that. Hope for the best. Bit nervous about doing this. Worried about getting it wrong. Yeah. It's okay in places, not pretty in others.